Hello, dear analog photographer. We are proud to introduce you to the Ego Film Processor, the easiest and quickest tool to develop your own film. Ego bridges the gap between affordability and advanced film processing. It offers the capabilities of high-end film processors at a fraction of the cost. Being compact in size makes it the perfect solution for every analog photographer. Are you a passionate analog photographer looking for a hassle-free way to develop color film? Or the professional photographer seeking to reclaim their time and maintain full control over the results? This is the solution. Ego lets you focus on what truly matters, the creative experience that analog photography offers. Its ergonomic design ensures a clean and hassle-free chemical pouring process, leaving no mess behind. Ego seamlessly integrates with widely used Patterson tanks, transforming them into efficient rotary processors. With Ego, you can easily develop both roll and sheet films in black and white, C41, and E6 formats right in the comfort of your own home. It achieves this by employing a temperature sensor and advanced time compensation algorithm, eliminating the need for meticulous temperature control during development. No more worrying about when to change the chemicals. Ego simplifies this by promptly notifying you when and which chemical requires replacement. Wave goodbye to the uncertainty and embrace effortless film development with Ego. It empowers anyone to achieve professional quality results without the guesswork. Back us today and be a part of a new era of film development. Ego, your gateway to hassle-free, cost-effective film development.
Hello Indiegogo, I'm Arna and this is Vintage Visual. About 3 years ago we started the Ego project with a simple goal in mind, to give our contribution on sustaining analog photography and make it accessible to everyone. We didn't do this alone. We teamed up with our local photography community and collaborated with people from Academy of Arts and University of Technology. Together we went through countless prototypes, fine-tuning the electronics, software, time compensation algorithms, and design of the product itself to make it just right. Now we're at the crucial point where we need your help to bring this incredible tool to life. Our mission is to make film developing easy and enjoyable for every film enthusiast out there. Join us in this journey to make analog photography a breeze for everyone.